All right, well, this is Michael Craner from Renew America Road Trip, and I'm here with Jim O'Keefe from, where'd you say you're from, Jim?
Eldersburg.
Eldersburg, okay.
Originally Chicago.
Originally Chicago, that's right. The home of the deep dish pizza, right?
Yes.
Windy City, okay. And Ben Groff from ASI Technologies, and we're here at the ASI booth here. We've got the ASI hybrid vehicle right here, and somehow missing is the Renew America Roadster, which is actually over near the main building over there, getting some electrons. But Jim, why don't you tell us a little bit why you came and visited the booth here today, and what's your interest in solar and electric vehicles and that kind of stuff?
Well, I'm an engineer, and I've been curious about the electric vehicle for a long time, and I've heard a lot about the Tesla. I thought it'd be interesting to see it.
Yeah.
Hear what you guys have to say.
Now, you're an electrical engineer, right?
Yes.
But you don't have an electric vehicle yet.
No.
Is that on the horizon for you?
Not until I save enough money.
But aren't you? You're a pretty senior, one of the top engineers in design, from what I understand, for chip layout and stuff like that. That's what you're working?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
But yeah, college costs and all that just took its toll.
A couple kids through college.
Yeah.
Well, you know, one way to save a little bit of money is to get your free energy from the sun. Have you looked into putting solar on your house?
Yes, in fact, I was talking earlier about that.
We were talking about that.
Looking at the trade-offs.
Okay. And ASI is one of the leaders in the area. In fact, they're the ones that put the solar on my house. I got 15.75 kilowatts on my house, and I haven't paid a bill since I put it in for electric.
No electric bill at all?
No. Well, I've got a connection fee of like $5 per month.
Wow.
But I was spending up near about $400 a month on electric, and now it's nothing.
Oh, in this heat, you're probably saving a lot with the AC.
Yeah, well, the AC is cranking away, and I've still got a net positive. I'm grid tied.
Really?
And I have a surplus that I've sent to the grid already, and they need to pay me. Actually, I got to go check and find out why they haven't paid me yet.
Wow, I like that.
Sounds like a good setup, right?
Yeah. Oh, your whole roof is solar?
The back of my roof, most of it. I've got a bunch of sun power panels on there. The world's most powerful solar, and installed by these guys out in Lancaster County in Pennsylvania.
Where are they manufactured?
SunPower has a couple different plants. I know they just opened up an American manufacturing plant in California. I believe they have one in Mexico and the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
So SunPower is an American headquartered company, and most of their operations are in America, but they do have manufacturing support in those other countries.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Keep it in America. That's right.
And one of these guys, if not America, there's some other good panels that they use. Mage Solar is a big German company. Germany's been a little bit ahead of us in terms of adoption of renewable energy, and they make some really good panels. A little bit more price effective, but not quite as high efficiency. But I had a density area. I wanted to fit it all on my roof, and had a certain target in mind for how much production. So I switch over, get off of electric, and I'm going to switch my gas to geothermal.
You did do that yet?
No, I'm going to switch to geothermal to use up the surplus of the energy. So I power the electric car. I'll run the geothermal, which will be more efficient than the AC and the heat, and get rid of my gas bill, and I'd be happy.
You'd be off the grid.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's a good investment if you got kids in college. You can finance it out of your home, or you can do a power purchase agreement where somebody else will capitalize it for you and just give you a lower energy cost.
Huh.
Yeah.
I'll have to look into that.
All right.
Ways to save.